Hi labs, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mandy. I'm a spiritual life coach, content creator, and lover of all things wellness, healthy lifestyle, and workout related. And I feel so excited for today's video. I have my friends at Fitbeast who have sent me their amazing back rollers. So I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite stretching and rolling routines with y'all. And before we get into that, I just wanted to go over the benefits of these 3 different sizes of these Fitbeast rollers. So y'all might remember when I came out with the back stretching video for their original big roller, but because they've come out with these 2 other roller sizes now, which are 12, 9, and 6 inches, they provide different massage pressure. So as you can see, there is a groove in the middle to protect your spine, and then the rollers have different types of bumps on them for different pressures as well. So generally speaking, the bigger the size, the more stability you're gonna get in a roller. And personally speaking, they are physical therapist recommended. They're easy for anyone to make use out of and to benefit from. And just for myself personally, being someone who's so into stretching and moving my body every day, I've definitely noticed a huge difference in especially my muscle recovery when using these back rollers. So I'm going to put a link in the video description below if you guys want to get your hands or your backs or your bodies on these amazing Fitbeast rollers. I believe there will be a discount code as well in there. So check that out, guys. And without further ado, let's get into the stretching portion of the video. And one final note, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell to be the first to see all my new videos, and be sure to share this with anyone who could benefit from living a healthier, happier lifestyle. All right, let's get to it.
Laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts, so then we take a ride wherever. I always try to let my spirit fly away. That's the only way to get that high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood, I'm not backing down. So if you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. I saw your arms around somebody. I never thought it'd be so hard, yeah. Even though I'm the one that broke us apart, yeah. Now I'm seeing her, watching you. Never felt so lonely, babe. I wanna be there next to you. I keep missing us, miss your touch, missing your body, babe. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Come back to me, come back, baby. Can't hide what I feel, just want you to save me. I keep missing sleep deprived. Blow my mind without warning. You dug in deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into the widest ocean again, again. Can't forget. You got me wrapped around it.
Feeling like a rock star. 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 For some dollars to keep me going, I try to act like a superstar, get tattoos without colors in a place where it's showing. And I